Unit number 3, Food and Clothes. Lesson number 6, Food. Humans, animals and birds cannot live without food. We get our food in different ways. Where does our food comes from? Some food is grown on the land. For this we need good soil, lots of water and seeds. Here is a man collecting oranges from our tree. We get grain, fruit and vegetables from plants. Vegetables, fruits, grains. We grow lots of mangoes in Pakistan. These mangoes are sold all over the world. We get food from animals, also cows, buffaloes and goats. Buffalo and goats give us milk and meat. Birds like chicken give us eggs. We also eat chicken. Many kinds of food can be made from eggs and milk. Buffalo, cow, goat. Corn oil. Oil is used for cooking. These pictures below show you how corn oil is made. A farmer plows the land with a tractor. Corn is sown in the field. Rain helps the crop to grow. The crop is sprayed to kill pests. The crop is harvested. The corn is taken to a factory. In the factory, the corn is crushed to take out the oil. It is put into tins, bottles and bags and labeled. These are taken to the shops where we buy them. Filling oil in containers. Corn oil bottles. Thank you so much.